We are Cal Landscaping, a full-service landscaping service from design to install. How we work is you guys call us up on the phone and we'll come out and look at your front or backyard and we'll sit down and have a meeting with you. We'll actually talk to you about how you want to use your yard. A lot of people want to entertain, so they'll need a big entertainment area. Some people like to just do little interaction with it at all and just have it look nice so they can enjoy it. So we try to adjust the design to match your usage that you want to make of your front or backyard. A lot of the components we use in a front or backyard are patios, walkways, retaining walls. They also act as seat walls sometimes so people can sit on them and relax. We do pergolas, we do sod and irrigation, we do gardens, we do accent plants, we do drip irrigation, we do dry creeks for drought tolerant driveways. Some people prefer paver driveways, some people use concrete driveways. We do all of it if you need it. We prefer to do pavers because in this area in Northern California the ground moves quite a bit and cracking is quite common in concrete up here. Then we talk about a budget. We actually try and design the yard to the budget. We don't charge for design, so if you like it we install it, if not we keep the design. After coming out and doing the design with you, what we'll do is we'll come back and we do a 1/8 inch scale drawing. It's a drawing that we're quite familiar with, my foreman and I and our install crew. They actually use the detailed design drawing that we do for installing. So then I'll come back and go through it with you, and if you like the design after we've discussed it and everything, or if you want to make some modifications, we can make some modifications. Then we actually schedule you for an install. And then we have a walkthrough with the customer, and if they have any issues or things we need to take care of, we take care of it then. Or if they're happy with it, it's fine. We ask the customer to kind of keep an eye on the yard once we leave. If there's anything that comes up, we want them to call us right away so we don't lose any plants, and we can fix the drain, fix the irrigation if we need to. So we're real concerned with not just installing a product, but having a lasting product when we're done. We really look forward to seeing if we can help you out, so we'd like you to give us a call and see if we can do a design and make your yard real usable for you.